3, 2, 1. Hey everybody, welcome back. Got a tutorial for you today, and I'm going to let Ruthie do it and show you that a first timer can do it. And that is heat staining headers, as you saw in the thumbnail already. So we're out here and she's going to work on her 29, and she's got those zoomies right there that need some heat staining, and what we're doing is trying to get it close to looking like this heat stain. Obviously mine aren't zoomies, but I heat stained mine. She saw it, she wanted to do hers, so we're going to try that today, and I'm going to let her do it and show you that a first timer, because guess what, that was my first time right there. It turned out pretty good actually, but I've watched a lot of people do it. So we're going to get her engine assembled, but first we got to paint some stuff, get the headers painted, and then get on assembling her engine for Jack's Con. So here we go. Alright, so she's got this transparent blue.
Back?
Just a little.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got the spring set really tight, so it's harder to pull back. Can you see it? Okay. Alright, so trying to show her that you gotta be so. I don't have different size needles for my ear or my gun, so you just gotta barely pull back at all to get that fine mist of blue. So you think you can do it? So her zoomy, we're going to try to go about halfway of the bend with the blue, but not too heavy.
Do I go like this?
It actually just, no, I would, you would probably need to go side to side, but because it's going to be such a light mist, just kind of like watch each one of them, okay? You ain't got to like paint like a regular paint. You're actually going to hold it right closer and get really, so okay, you can already see some blue. Don't pull back too much. Okay. You don't want to over blue it, and you don't want to get the blue up here on the top either. So you want to kind of keep your pipe down like that, so your paint won't get all up there, okay? Barely pull back. Just wait until you can kind of see a little bit of blue getting on it. And if you need to shoot it on your glove to see what's coming out, there you go.
Like anything's coming out.
I got the compressor turned down as low as it'll go. Okay, come on up, farther up on your bend. So that bend, see, the reason we're going to blue that bend is that heat that's coming out of those exhausts is really going to get hot on that elbow because it's shooting straight out, and then it's got to come up. So the elbow of the header is going to get really hot right there because it's getting all that. It's where it's having the bend to go up, so you want that. There you go. And don't forget when you do the inside as well. That actually looks really good. Wow, that looks awesome. Okay, so your front here and all the way up too. Sorry, I can't get this thing to focus just right. I wanted to get it close in. And then we will put a little bit of orange right past the blue. Got some. This is a Alclad transparent blue my friend Billy Bear sent to me. But we will use Tamiya orange. Okay, hold it still. There it goes. Turn it. That looks really good. Nice. Very nice. Okay, got this one. We'll let this one sit, and we'll grab the other one. Stand by. Okay, here we go on number 2.
Oh.
Get a lot.
Right there.
It's okay. It's okay.
Coming out. Oh no.
I don't think you can really mess up.
Is that good? Or
Let's see, turn it over. You see there. That looks pretty good. Maybe a little on that first one right there near the where it would bolt up. What happens is you can't really see the paint coming out, and then all of a sudden here it comes. So no, that looks good. Let's see. What, you got a little high on one? Is that what you're concerned about?
No, it just looked like a lot.
Oh, it's okay. But it's transparent, so it's not like it's heavy paint. Okay, looks good. All right, now we're going to get some orange mixed up. Stand by. Okay. All right, here we go. The orange. To me, a clear orange. It almost looks yellow when it comes out.
So like this?
Yep. So straight. Like I say, there you go. But make sure you know how much paint's coming out. And you're just transitioning from that blue to the chrome. There you go.
Is anything coming out?
I thought it was. It looks like there's a little color.
A little bit.
And it's not going to take as much as the blue. Make sure you get your inside too. There you go.
I don't see it.
I do. I can see. There's color. Can't see squat with this camera, but anyway.
I just put a little bit.
A little bit more. You can't see that color. There you go. Do the inside now. That looks so good. Sorry for the air compressor noise. Oh yeah, perfect. Hold it still. Oh, that looks great. Okay, let's do the other one. All right, here's the last one.
It's so hard to see when they're not.
Yeah, it is very hard to see because it's so subtle. And that's the thing about it. I think when it is subtle, that's what makes it look real. What I've noticed, she's had trouble with this. It stopped spraying because you've got such little air moving past, and the paint actually starts to dry in the needle. So we have to clean the brush.
I think that's good.
Looks good. Okay. All right. We'll stop here and we'll get some pictures of it. Okay. So here is. I'm trying to get something down here where you can see. That looks great. The orange looks better off camera to me personally, but that looks really nice. So it really blued on those turn up when it makes the turn there. So very good job. Both sets of them look really nice. So now got to get this put together. And she's got to get that put together and all that put together. So most everything's painted except the roof. And this isn't about her truck. This is about a tutorial about her headers. But she's got a few things to do. So, all right, Ruthie, thank you for making this video, showing everybody how you should properly. What did we do? What's it called?
The headers.
Heat stained the headers. All right, so take some pictures up close and let you see them. But anyway, let me flip the camera around. Done with this little tutorial. Don't know if it's focused or not because my eyes are totally not focused. Let me focus it on. Let me focus it on. There we go. Anyway, don't know. I ain't got a clue. Alright, anyway, done with this little quick tutorial video. Thanks to Ruthie for showing us how to do that. And they look better than mine do, which mine was the very first try, then hers is a kind of my second try, but through her hands. But anyway, alright, so thanks for watching. Give us a comment. Let me know if you've heat stained before and how you do it. And see you later. Check out the description of the video. All those things linked in there. Go check them out. And we will see you very soon on the rest of her 29 pumpkin mobile build. Alright, see ya. Bye.
Bye.